Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I am going to talk about how to send Ethereum or any other token to your Metamask wallet. So let's begin. Now, before we begin, we have our Ethereum. So we're going to go into assets. We're there already. I'm going to scroll down and see I have Ethereum. I have about $191.52. And when you buy the Ethereum from Coinbase, in my case, it's usually available right away to send. In this case, we're going to withdraw from Coinbase and send to MetaMask. In my case, I have it immediately, but sometimes you might have to wait up to 24 hours for it to be available for withdrawal. So keep that in mind. But in my case, it's ready to be withdrawal. Or in this case, we're going to send to our MetaMask wallet. Now, before we send our Ethereum, we need to locate the wallet address where we're sending it to. In this case, it's going to be our MetaMask wallet. We're going to click on the MetaMask. And it's already on the Ethereum mainnet. We're going to copy this address. So we're going to click on that. We're going to copy it. Now we're going to go back to Coinbase. We're going to click on the Send Receive button. We're going to paste the address here on the to field. So paste. There it is. Okay. And we're going to pay with Ethereum. And we're going to send all of it. Okay. So let me put that. And scroll down here a little bit. Okay. Oh, actually, I should have done that. Okay, now, sorry about that. So now we're going to scroll down here. Okay, so this is the wallet. This is where it's going to, this wallet address. I'm going to pay with Ethereum because that's what I'm sending. I'm sending Ethereum. And we're going to click on continue. And it's going to charge me fees, of course. And we're going to send now. And it's telling me that what you're doing is irreversible. I understand all that. So we're going to click on send now. Then we're going to get a confirmation. We have to put the confirmation in there. And I'm going to open up that right now. And I will input that information. Okay. Put that in there. I'm sorry about that. Okay, 6. There's a one-time code that your authenticating app will display. We're going to click on confirm. And it says here, it's sending this Ethereum to my wallet. Usually takes about 10 minutes. We're going to click on done. And now we have to wait. It usually takes about 10 minutes. In most cases, it takes 5. I think the longest I ever had to wait for to send Ethereum at one time, I think was 20 minutes. And yeah, it was, I don't know, maybe it was very congested that day, the network or something. Anyway, normally it takes about 2 to 10 minutes. So we're just going to wait. And while we're waiting, you can check the transfer on your MetaMask wallet. Actually, it's already there. So there you go. It's already there. But however, if you wanted to track it, you will click on these 3 dots. You will view account on Etherscan. And I'll show you another way. And this is just what occurred right now, as you can see. The transfer 1 minute ago. So this one was pretty quick. It was 1 minute. Okay. So normally it takes, sometimes it takes a little longer, but 1 minute, that's pretty good. So that is where you can track your transaction. Also, on activity, you can click on that and they'll give you information on here. If you click on that little arrow, again, it'll open up Etherscan. Okay, as you can see, it's a success. So that is how you get your Ethereum from Coinbase to your Metamask wallet. So now we have Ethereum here. Okay? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please feel free to share this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I will be posting videos like this for beginners. I was a beginner a few months back. And I like to make these videos to give back to people that are getting into crypto. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.